So in this video, we're going to talk about different adjustments that can be made to our tape heads, as well as what we need to do for our tape tension. So to start off with our tape tension, there's two main components or two main spots where we can adjust that tension. So one is right beneath this cap, and you use some type of pry tool in order to get this cap off. Underneath that cap, we'll have a nut that takes a 3/4 inch socket or a 3/4 inch wrench. This nut right here is directly related to the tension of this roll of tape right here, as far as how easily it can come off this roll. When we make our adjustments, we want to make sure that our tape isn't fighting to come off this roll, and that we can easily pull the tape off the spool. And we don't want it to be too loose as well. If it's too loose, what's going to happen is our tape will get sloppy, and we can improperly feed through our tape rollers. So what we can do is use our 3/4 inch wrench to tighten down this nut in order to increase our tension, or loosen it to decrease our tension. From there, we have another nut right here on another roller. This takes a 9/16 socket or a 9/16 wrench. This is for your tension of the tape running through this roller. This is another spot where we want to make sure we maintain good tension. Too much and we're not going to properly feed through those rollers. Too loose, it's going to be another issue. So what we can do is take that 9/16 wrench, and if our tape is fighting to get through these rollers, we can loosen this up. And then if our tape is too loose getting through that roller, or we're getting sloppy as we're going through, not maintaining good tension, we can tighten that nut up. What we want to see is our tape going through these rollers with good tension. We don't want to see the tape sagging on the rollers at all. And we're able to pull that tape through with minimal effort. We're not seeing slack build up on our tape. As far as some adjustments that can be made to our tape head, we have a few spots on there. One is our proximity sensor that's on our tape sensing. And so some machines do come with this tape sensing, and what it's doing is reading the 2 pins that we have in this white roller that we have right here. So what we can do is pull our tape through the tape head, and if we see our prox light up on the back, that means we're making good contact, or we're in good proximity of those 2 pins. If we're not, we can use the 7/16 wrench and make an adjustment to this bracket that we have here. Some machines vary as far as how that bracket is set up. What we can do is make sure that that prox is within good proximity to those pins, so that as our tape is rolling around, we're making good contact and flagging those pins. We also have our spring inside of our tape head. That's for adjusting the tension of these rollers that you see right here. For a thicker, more rigid case, we can have a heavier tension. For a lighter, thinner case, we can go with a lighter tension. If you notice crushing on the case, that's where you can back off that tension to be a little lighter. If you're not getting good compression of your flaps as it's going through the tape head, we can increase the tension to be a little heavier.